It's 6 months after the earthquake in Nepal that destroyed more than 500,000 homes and 9,000 people lost their lives. The situation in the villages is critical. Families are living in temporary sheds and under plastic canvas, and winter is coming. Our team is working to build houses for single mothers with small children. We build schools and health posts. We build with bamboo, stone and earth, materials that is available in the village. And every house we make is a training for the local builders, teaching them how to rebuild their own village.
मेरो चाहिँ पल्लो घरमा सुतेरहेको थियो अनि घर जम्मै लडिसक्यो अनि पछि छोरी खोज्दाखेरि म पल्लो घरबाट आउँदाखेरि अनि छोरी खोज्दाखेरि छोरी पनि छैन अनि सबै आतियो अनि झिक्न जाँदाखेरि छोरी चाहिँ दाउरा मुनि परिरहेको रोइरहेको छ अनि हामीले झिक्न सफल भयौं धेरै डरायौं
Regina's daughter miraculously survived, but her husband is dead and their situation is critical. They live under a plastic canvas. We are building new houses for them and several other families in this village. We work to create jobs and fight poverty by supporting local entrepreneurs. We teach them to make earth bricks and start small business in the village. We teach how to reinforce stone walls with galvanized iron wire. So the villagers can rebuild their homes, safe and at a low cost. This technology is very suitable for remote villages where transportation is difficult. Nepal is no longer in the news, but the victims of the earthquake are still suffering. Our team is working in remote villages to help poor families, and we need your help to do more. Join us to build homes for poor families, sponsor a new school, or support a micro-entrepreneur.